just wanna be happy tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys already saw the title, so we are going to jump straight into the video. But before that, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to watch more hair care, skin care, tutorials and fun videos. Now let's start with the voiceover. Fill your eyebrows with a dark brown shade to make them look as natural as possible. Simply curl your lashes. This eyelash curler is from Miniso and I got it for around 200 rupees, which is pretty good. So this My Glam's Twist It Mascara features an innovative dual action mode. It has 2-in-1 application for volumizing and curling. It has intense black, water resistant formula and is smudge proof and transfer resistant. It's also cruelty free, no animal testing has been done, and it's also dermatologically tested. Except for good life and comfort. This tint is My Glam's Tinted Up, which is in shade Fever, and it's beta-proof, cruelty-free and is vegan. This is perfect for a natural look. It has a light powdery texture and is suitable for all skin tones. Simply yeah. This was it for this week's video. I hope you guys like this simple 5-step makeup routine that looks super natural and you can carry it every day. Let me know in the comment sections below and I will see you next time. Bye.